Hello and welcome to linuxhint.com YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you that how you can install Pip and Pip3 modules and how you can use them to install packages on your Ubuntu 20.04. So Pip is a software tool that helps you to install various Python packages on your system, right? So let's go ahead in Ubuntu 20.04 operating system and try to install Pip. So first of all, you have to update and upgrade your terminal as always. So you would write here sudo apt update, hit enter. It is going to ask you for the password. So put in your password and it would basically update your repository. Okay, so make sure that you update your repository, and once it is updated, make sure that you upgrade your repository as well so that the missing packages, if any, they could be added, right? So we'll wait. Once it is updated, we're going to go ahead and we're going to upgrade. Alright, so now you can see that we have updated our repository. So now we are going to upgrade our repository as well. So for that, we just write here sudo apt and then we write here upgrade. Hit enter and now it would start to upgrade, and you can see that there are multiple things that would be upgraded and added into it. So that's going to take 361 megabytes of additional disk space. So I'm going to press Y and it would start to add new things to our repository, right? So we'll wait. Alright, so once you have upgraded that, now what you're going to do is that you're going to add a universal repository. Okay, so we are going to install two kind of Pip modules, Pip and Pip3. Okay, so let me just clear it. Now I would add the universal repository here. So for that I would write here sudo add -apt- and then repository, and then after that let me correct it. I'm gonna write here universe. Okay, so what it would do, that it would basically add the universal repository. So once you have this universal repository, after that what you're going to do is that you are going to install Python. So in some cases you would already have it, but let's say if you don't have it, then you can write here sudo apt install python 2. All right, hit enter. I didn't have it already, so it is going to ask me whether I want to install it or not. So press Y, hit enter, and it will start to install Python 2 on your Ubuntu 20.04. So once you do that, after that, I'm gonna add get-pip.py script. So now it's installing, so we will wait, and there you go. Now we have installed Python 2 successfully. So now what we're gonna do is that we are going to get a file named as get-pip.py. Okay, so in order to get that, what we would do would just write here curl, and then we'd write here https, and then we'd write here bootstrap .py, and then we write here .io, we write here slash, then we write here get-pip.py. Okay, and then after that we want to see the output. So for that we'll just write here output, and then we write here get-pip.py. Okay, so we'll try to put this command into the description, and let's say if this command is not in the description, just follow along, pause the video and write this, and then you can move ahead. So hit enter and you can see that it says a curl command could not be found. So first we'd install the curl command, and then we'd basically run this command. So for that we'll just write here sudo apt install curl. It is going to install curl first. So once curl is installed, after that we can run the command that we written previously. Okay, so we'll just write here curl, then the link from where we're going to download get-pip.py. So we hit enter, and now you can see that it has started to download the get-pip.py file, and now you can see that it has been downloaded successfully. Okay, so now we have get-pip.py. All right, so now what we can do is that we can run it. So in order to run it, what we can do is that we can write here sudo, then we can write here python2, then we can write here get-pip.py. We hit enter, and now you could see that it's trying to collect pip, download it, and then it would install it. So that's method number one, using which you can install pip on your Ubuntu 20.04. So it would install in a while, and you can see it's done now. So we have pip installed. If you want to install Python 3 pip or pip3, you can also do that. So for that, what you can do is that, let me just clear it first. I would write here sudo apt install, then I would write here python3-pip. Okay, so Python 3 basically comes installed already, and you can see that I already have Python 3 pip module. So if you do not have Python 3 pip module, you could just run this command. It would ask you if you want to install it or not, then press Y, hit enter, and it would install Python 3 pip or pip3 module. Okay, so when the installation completes, basically you can verify these installations by executing the command that I'm going to show you. So the simple command is that you're going to write here pip version. So you can see that we have pip 20.1.1, and if you want to check it for Python 3 or pip3, then in that case you can write here pip3 version. Okay, hit enter, and here you can see that for Python 3 we have pip 20.0.2. all right, so now we have two pip versions installed on our computer system, on our Ubuntu. So what we can do is that we can search different Python packages and we can try to install them. So let's say that in the pip3 I want to search a package named as Scrappy. So I write here pip3 search Scrappy, hit enter, and it would basically show me the results for all the packages containing Scrappy keyword. Okay, so you can see that there are a lot of Scrappy packages here. So with one install, I can install all of them. So what I would do is that I would write here pip3 install, and then I would write here Scrappy. All right, and before that I would just write here sudo. I would hit enter, and now you can see that it is collecting Scrappy, it's downloading it, and it would install it. All right, so we'll wait. All right, so now you could see that we have installed the Scrappy package successfully on our Ubuntu 20.04. So in case you want to uninstall this package, a pip3 package, you could also do that. And for that, you would just write here sudo, and then you'd write here uninstall, and then you would write here Scrappy. And before uninstall, you need to write here pip3. Okay, so hit enter, and it would found the existing installation of Scrappy, and then it would ask you, do you want to proceed to uninstall it? So if you want to proceed, press yes, and you can see that it says successfully uninstalled Scrappy 2.1.0. Okay, so that's how you basically install the pip modules. That's how you install Python package using the pip module, and that's how you uninstall the Python package using the pip module. Okay, so if you want to find any help regarding pip3, all you have to do is that you have to write here pip3 and then -- help. Okay, so when you would do that, you would find all sorts of helping commands regarding the pip3 module. Okay, so this is a simple way to find help if you want to. All right, so we have covered how to install pip and pip3 packages on Ubuntu 20.04. We have seen the basic use of pip3 and pip tools, and how to basically uninstall a pip package as well. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. For written articles, you can always visit our website uninstall.com. Thank you so much for watching.